Don't include what I got on like this. I was already rich before they caught on. Play both sides, apologize, and Steve shot on. Inside the shooter, do walkthroughs, he don't drop some. Make a muscle, and she cocked on. Let me get in the decapitated, the top on. No big boogers in the watch. I pull up in the ladies. Only on that good money cause I make it.
Hold up, man. Hold on, I gotta get that fish out now. Back that up, I got to look at that. Back that up.
What's up, Rick? What's up, Keith?
I'll put it. Now, like Christmas, what he gonna do next to the bell? I got you, baby. I ain't gonna get you, baby. Take that. Take another.
What's up, Rick? Okay. What's up, Keith? What's up, Keith? I don't agree. Ass beat, man. Ass beat, man.
Pick me out, bro.
We got some rich niggas in this tonight. I'm raising here this motherfucker. Let's give you this other trick right now. Are we fucking about something? Let's go.